Dear student, in this practical, we want to draw horizontal line, vertical line, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree lines and different types of lines, dimensioning style using this drafter. I already explained drafter in first practical. Now already set this drafter. Now you can see this is 0 and this is what matching line. First you match the drafter line with this 0 and simply draw the horizontal and vertical lines. This is a perfect 90 degree vertical lines and horizontal line. It is very simple. While drawing the angular line, I want to draw a 30 degree line. Directly you can move this drafter along with the circular scale, with reference to circular scale, and draw. This is what 30 degree line. This is what 30 degree line. And if you want to draw a line inclined to 45 degree, now this is one reference line, this is another reference line. I can join this point, these two lines in this point, with reference to this instrument. We can draw the line inclined to 45 degree. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and this is what 45, and draw this line with joining to this point. This is what this line inclined to 45 degree. Okay, same way 60 degree also we can draw with the help of mini drafter. This inclination of mini drafter is how much? This is what 60 degree. You can draw the line which inclined to 60 degree, and same way for 75 degree also. With the help of drafter, we can draw the inclined line also. Inclined line also can draw. Now, different types of lines. While drawing different types of line, the line having different meaning. When can draw this dotted type line, this is dotted line. This line used for the hidden part. Okay, जो पार्ट आपल्याला दिसत नाही पण तो प्रेझेंट आहे, तर त्यावेळेस आपल्याला हे डॉटेड लाइन यूज करावी लागते. नेक्स्ट लाइन डॉट, line dot, line dot. This is represent center of object. This line represents center of object. If any circle and I want to show the center of circle which is divided equal two parts, then I draw this line. This represent center. Now this is what thin line, and this is some pressurized line, that is thick line. This thin line used for showing the projections. While taking the projections of object, for drawing use a thin line. Thick line, this used for outline, represent outline. Those are the major 4 lines are used in drawing. Now for dimensioning line, for dimensioning, this is faint line along with 2 arrows, and dimensions are represent above, this is 55, above the dimension line. This is what, 55. Now this line represents the dimensions line.